Welcome to DEX. In this video, we will show you how to access and generate the NSF Recovery Report. This report helps merchants track and analyze non-sufficient funds, NSF transactions, and recovery attempts. Remember, this report is available only for merchants enrolled in NSF Recovery Services. Let's get started. Log into DEX and click Reports. Once you're in the data grid, you'll see the tab NSF Recovery in the main menu. Next, select your filters to customize the report view. For the date range, choose from the available options to define your reporting period, such as today, last month, or a custom range. Under Location, use the Multi-Select dropdown to choose one or more merchant locations. By default, the first available MID is automatically selected. After setting your filters, click Generate Report, and once the report loads, select Download to export the information in Excel format. The NSF Recovery Report provides a clear, actionable view of your NSF performance, helping you evaluate recovery success.